Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x squared plus x is equal to 111,222 to find the values of x. In the first step, we write this number in here, 111,222, and here we can write this as 111,000 plus 222. And in here, we can write this as 111 times 1000 and plus 222, we can write this as 2 times 111, right? And in here, we let 111 as a. So, we write this equation and it will be, this is a, so a times 1000, we can write 1000 as 999 plus 1, right? And plus 2 times a. And here, we can write this as 9 times 111, right? So, this is equal to a times 9, and this is a. So, 9a plus 1 and plus 2a. And from here, a times 9a, it will be 9a squared, and plus a times 1, it will be a, and plus 2a. And this is equal to 9a squared plus 3a. So, in here, we can write this number as 9a squared plus 3a. So, we write our equation, x squared plus x is equal to 9a squared plus 3a. And in next step, we take these two parts to this side, and it will be in here x squared and minus this 9a squared and plus this x and minus 3a is equal to 0. And here, this is in the form of a squared minus b squared, right? So, in here we can write this as x minus 3a times x plus 3a, and plus in here we have x minus 3a, right, is equal to 0. In here, this is in the form of a squared minus b squared, and it will be a minus b times a plus b, right? So, from here, x minus 3a is common, so you factor x minus 3a. And for this part, this divided by this, it will be x plus 3a, and this divided by this, it will be 1 is equal to 0. So from here, we have two solutions for x. X minus 3a is equal to 0, or x plus 3a plus 1 is equal to 0. In here, x is equal to 3a, and from here, x is equal to negative 3a minus 1. And recall this, a is equal to 111. So, in here, x, it will be 3a, and 3 times 111, it will be 333, right? And from here, it will be negative 3a, and negative 3 times 111, it will be negative 333, and minus 1, and it will be negative 334. So, we find two values for x. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.